Hello everyone. So I am Nandini from CAD NEST Nagar. So today we are going to continue with the next topic, that is the next drawing tool of AutoCAD, that is arc. Arc. If I drag this arc, I'll be getting these many options for the creation of arc. So first one, it is 3-point arc. So as soon as I take up the first 3-point arc, it will be commanding me to specify the start point of arc. In the sense, I need to specify 3 different points. So I'll just specify 3 different points and then I'll end up my arc here. Now you can see 1, 2 and 3. So this is 3-point arc. Next one, start, center, end. So now what I'm going to do is, I need to specify the start point, I need to specify the center point of an arc, and then I need to specify the arc. This is start, center and end point. Next comes start, center and angle. Again specify start, center and enter the angle value. So what I'll do is, I'll give 180 degree angle. I'll just type 180, enter. You can see from here to here I have 180 degree, that is semicircle, arc with a semicircle. Next one, we have start, center and length of the arc. Start, center and length. I need to type the length value, so then I'll be getting an arc up to that length, that specified value of a length. Next I have start and angle. So next we have start, end and angle. Take up start, end and enter the angle value. So this is start, end and angle. Next, start and direction. So this will be very much helpful for you to create door options. See, for example, I have a space here. Now I need to create the door here. So I'll take start and direction. For me, this is my start end and this is the end, and this could be my direction. So this is the symbol of a door in AutoCAD. So it will be helpful for you to create such kind of arcs. Next we have start, end and radius. So start, end and radius. I can type the radius value here. Okay. Next we have center, start, end. This is a combination of second one, start, center, end, center, start, end. So specify the center first, start and then end. So wherever you need, you can stop there. Next again, center, start, angle. It is a combination of start, center, angle. Center, start and specifying the angle. And then last we have center, start, length. Specify the center, start and length of an arc, how much ever length you need. So the last one, it is continue. Continue is a creation method of an arc where the next arc continues with the previous arc that you have been created. See, for example, I'll take up an arc here. So this is my arc, and if I take up continue, my next arc will start with this end. See, it gets started with the previous arc that we have created. So these are the types of arcs that we have in AutoCAD. So I hope you have understood today's arc topic. So in the next classes we will be going on with rectangle and polygon. Thank you.